Monosodium glutamate, MSG, is it bad? Monosodium glutamate, MSG, has been demonized for decades, but it is not actually bad for you. The MSG scare began in 1968 when a Chinese researcher reported numbness in his neck and arms after eating at Chinese restaurants, but not after home-cooked meals. The syndrome, however, couldn't be reproduced in the lab. MSG is just sodium plus the amino acid glutamate, both of which are present in plenty of foods, and not just in Chinese restaurants. Items that are rich in glutamate are soy sauce, tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. No symptoms or syndromes have been associated with them. The research that found negative health effects was in rodents that had enormous quantities of MSG injected into their bodies. No relation to what happens when you eat a sprinkling of the stuff on your dinners. A 2019 review concluded that many of the reported negative health effects of MSG have little relevance for chronic human exposure to low doses. Some people may be sensitive to MSG, but there doesn't seem to be a widespread health issue that makes MSG bad for us. The sodium content of MSG is only 12% of its weight, making it about 3% of the daily value. If you believe you are sensitive to MSG, discuss it with your doctor.